Whoa, I just see a big lightning a while ago. I don't know what's gonna happen with this beach thing. Wanna hear that? Alright guys, I am going into Subway to get some sandwiches. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And it's raining a little bit, so is the stuff that we ordered right here. It's a foot long with ham and cheddar. Lettuce, tomato. Yeah. Yes. Same thing on both, but yes. And I want jalapeno on that one. Yes, cucumbers. Yes, and some jalapeno. Are you taking pictures? No. No.
breast. Can I have a toasted chicken breast? Yeah.
No, that's it. Thank you. Yeah.
The sauce?
Sweet.
Ranch.
Ranch?
Yeah. And the same on the 6-inch. Yeah.
Okay.
Same thing. Yeah. Nice. Thank you. And ranch. Just a little.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. And these here.
Oh, you can take it.
One bob?
Yes, please.
Everything.
Could we have 2 macadamia nut cookies as well?
One milk, one fruit, one full cookie.
Yes.
30-50. What's your name?
Jamaican things.
Jamaica what?
Jamaican things.
Jamaican things?
Yes, that's the channel name.
You want to look funny.
Yeah, man.
What's the photo you want to know? Alright, I'm going to one.
Thank
What's the number
you.
of the card?
Alright guys, so we just got our sandwiches and we are heading back on the road. Whoa, I just see a big lightning a while ago. I don't know what's gonna happen with this beach thing. Wanna hear that? We really wanted to go beach, but I don't know if it's gonna work out today. Let's see. Okay guys, so we wanted to go to the beach today, right Scotty? And unfortunately it started to rain, So rain and lightning. We got our sandwiches, but we decided to just go on another day. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Though we are heading to the supermarket to get some supplies. There is a tropical storm out, tropical storm Gonzalo, that's out. We don't know if that's what we're getting right now, but anyway, we're gonna get some supplies. So no beach today. I really wanted to go and vlog that, but unfortunately it's not gonna happen. So another day we do that for you guys. Okay, so yeah.